Join me as I dive deep into the world of Bbai stock and try to predict if it's going to explode in the future. Today, we're talking about one of the most exciting and rapidly growing stocks in the market, Bbai. With its innovative approach and competitive edge, many investors are wondering if this stock is about to take off and bring in significant returns. Bbai stock, however, is not without its challenges. One of the biggest obstacles it faces is market volatility. We've seen how unpredictable the market can be, and even the slightest fluctuation can send shockwaves through the entire ecosystem. How can Bbai stock navigate these treacherous waters and come out on top? Another challenge Bbai faces is intense competition. With so many other companies vying for dominance, it's getting increasingly difficult for any one player to stand out. Can Bbai differentiate itself and prove its worth in a crowded market? Furthermore, regulatory hurdles are always a concern for any company operating in a rapidly changing landscape. Will Bbai be able to adapt to shifting regulations and stay ahead of the curve? These are all critical questions that need to be addressed before we can even begin to think about its potential for growth. In addition to these external factors, Bai's internal workings also play a significant role in determining its future. We need to examine its financial health, management strategy, and overall vision to get a clear picture of where the company is headed. When we take a closer look at Bai's recent news, we see a company that's been making all the right moves. From strategic partnerships to innovative product launches, Bbai is clearly committed to staying ahead of the curve. And with the market trending in its favor, it's hard not to get excited about its potential. But what about the broader economic indicators? Are we seeing a surge in investor confidence, or are there warning signs that we need to be cautious? By examining the bigger picture, we can get a better sense of whether Bbai stock is about to take off or plummet. One key insight that could sway opinions on Bbai stock is its ability to adapt to changing market conditions. We've seen how agile the company is, but can it maintain this level of flexibility as the market continues to evolve? If so, we might be looking at a stock that's poised for explosive growth. Another critical factor is the company's commitment to innovation. With so many disruptors in the market, Bbai needs to stay at the forefront of innovation to remain competitive. If it can continue to push the boundaries and create new opportunities, we could see its stock soar. And finally, let's not forget about the role of investor sentiment in shaping Bai's future. If investors are bullish on the company, we might see a surge in demand that drives the stock price up. But if they're bearish, it could lead to a downturn. So, what's the prevailing sentiment among investors right now? To summarize, Bbai stock is a complex and multifaceted beast. While it faces significant challenges, it's also got a lot going for it. With its innovative approach, adaptability, and commitment to innovation, this stock has the potential to explode in value. However, we need to be cautious and consider the potential risks as well. Will Bbai stock take off or falter? Only time will tell. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your thoughts on Bbai stock in the comments below. If you want to stay up to date on the latest investment insights and analysis, be sure to check out my other videos as well.